Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It brings me no pleasure to announce what I'm about to say, but we are going to get a massive downturn on Friday, and nobody is facing it. Nobody is acting accordingly, and nobody is preparing for it. Still, we get wild claims. Let me explain everything. Let me set the studio red first of all. So today, we talk about Tilray first. We've got Black Friday crash coming next. First of all, let's speak about Tilray. Tilray, we told you today, can do 10x on this Donald Trump's executive order. However, it hasn't happened. We warned of this, and we told you this morning on the bell it would pop up and sell off. You can go back and watch the live stream. In the live stream, people were telling me it's going all the way. You're an idiot. You don't know what you're talking about. It's going to keep rallying. It's going to go all the way to $100 straight away. It's going to be fantastic. I said, no, it's not. It's going to pump and dump. It can go to $100. However, people are looking to take profits because so many people are underwater. The board aren't happy with Irwin Simon. People are taking profit at the first opportunity. Mainly because, of course, of what is going to happen on Friday. After hours, overnight hours, Japan are expected to raise rates. And if they do, expect the markets to plummet. You need to be prepared for it. We've seen it today. The evidence is all there. The moment this popped up, it sold off straight away. We saw it down 10%. Be careful. People keep telling you it's going to go up and there's no risk. There is risk, huge risk. But you need to step away and look at the rest of the market. There's plenty of opportunity to make money even today when everything's selling off. Where's it going? Defensive. Coca-Cola, I'm up. Again, I'm beating the market. Again, I bought it at the bottom. I timed it with lots. And here we are again, making money. I said to you when the market goes down, that crypto would go down worse. I was right. Crypto has gone down worse. One of its worst days today. Look at Bitcoin today. Down again. It was down over like 6% earlier on. It's gained a little bit back, but the moment it does, it sells off again. XRP is still down 5.5%. Let's remember how much it's dropped, 36% in the last 3 months. And this is only the beginning. On Friday, late in the evening, Sensei will cover the carry trade unwind. We're going to be there live for the moment Japan announces their rate decision. If they don't raise rates and they aren't bearish and hawkish in their announcement, then we may get a reprieve. Okay, the carry trade happens every few years. It happens regularly. But now we've got the highest price of the S&P virtually in history. Need 20 times earnings, debt spiraling, still uncertainty with tariffs. And you can see that the moment we get any kind of news, the market runs, rallies, and dumps. Tilray brands. We even had it on Coca-Cola today. It popped up when everything was selling. Everyone ran to safety. They bought Coca-Cola. I didn't sell. I've already trimmed. I don't need to. I want to hold because it's going to $80. All right. The Tilray brands can most certainly go to $100. However, be very, very careful on how you apply this information because before it does, it will dump several times. Most importantly, you need to look in our show this morning. We gave you a full depth report on it about what is required in the next earnings call. All of the information was found in our newsletter as well. So be careful. People are convinced everything is only one way and one way up. That is not the case. Here is the newsletter. You can get this. I'm offering a 25% discount at the moment for this. There it is in the chat. Okay, so I want to warn you that Black Friday is just around the corner. For most people, it will be Black Monday. They'll wake up on Monday and see all of this. But We're calling it Black Friday because that's when it happens overnight, when everybody is sleeping. We're not going to be sleeping. We're going to be up trading it. We're going to be covering it live for you. So there we go. I hope this is of some help to you. Donald Trump did not sign it today. It's expected sometime this week, but now it's already being watered down. He's considering it. Already the news is being dialed back. I've given you a link at the top talking about the yen carry trade coming up next in a couple of moments' time. This is it in literally 3 minutes. Black Friday. How to prepare for Black Friday. I'll give you the link now. It's also pinned to the top, but here it is in the chat for you. That's coming next. A live event, unscripted, but I'm ready with the information. Join me for that. If you're watching this later, please be careful. So many people out there just want to excite everybody, telling everybody it's a great opportunity to buy. Everything is cheap right now. It isn't. It's still insanely expensive, and most people will get it wrong, and most people won't buy back at the time you should buy back. I wish everyone the best. Click above my head for all the links, down below in the description, also pinned to the comments. Over here and over here, I shall put two things that would best suit you. Join me live now for Black Friday warning, how I'm trading it, how I'm preparing for it, and what you can expect. That's it from me. I will see you back in just a minute from now with our Black Friday trading plan. That's it from me. Until next time, stay where you are. It'll click the links in the chat and it'll bring you there automatically. Take care of yourselves and each other.